Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, did you forget to renew your UAE visa or Emirates ID? If so, nothing to worry, just set reminders for document renewal. Download UAE ICP app by Google Play Store, install and sign in with your UAE pass or log in by using your ICP account if you have one, or register first to log in your account. So viewer, once you have logged in, the app will show you the basic details of your residency file, like the number of people you have sponsored and any pending visa or residency request. You can watch at the top, it's showing your sponsored and your residency details at the down. So viewer, when you click on the Emirat ID, the system will show your Emirat ID, and when you click over the residency, the system will show your residency details. So now we will check how you can enable the notification. For that, you have to go to the setting of your mobile. So we were in the settings, scroll to the app section, and in the app ICP UAE, and you will see top on the toggle button for allow notification. Click on the allow notification and click on the this notification check, and after that you will receive the notification when your visa expired or your Emirat ID by the ICP app. So this is the setting for the Android user, and for the Apple user also will have be the same. So viewers, hopefully this short video is informative for you. I request you subscribe and share my channel with your friend, and if you need my service you can connect me, and if you want to join my channel you can join and for your consultancy services and everything. So thank you for watching.